Gently shuffle the till underneath Earpad and slowly separate. You can use a triangle open narrow or buttered knife. Take the hour to mean slowly separate whole Earpad from several angles. Do not force them out. You must remove the plastic ring of the old Earpad. I just did a part of your headphones. If you have left the remaining adhesive, there will be a gap in between your headphones and Earpad. The bottom line is to cleaner this surface. The better Earpad will stick. P.S. The headphones in the video do not have the plastic rings. Peel off the adhesive of the new Earpad. Notice which holes fit the OLs before installing the Earpad. Careful to push the Earpad into the OLs. Apply pressure on the Earpad for a minute. If you have noticeable gaps, that means you have a note on the Earpad. Look for the Earpad. That marks the bottom side. Apply constant pressure on the Earpads but taking a cup leaf books and putting the headphones and theme away for a